Let me start with a reality check. You are not broke because the economy hates you. You're not broke because life is unfair. You're broke because you've been taught to think broke. And thinking broke is like putting your brain in a financial chokehold. Every decision you make is about survival, not growth. You are scared to lose $1, so you never make moves that could earn you 100. Broke thinking is like wearing ankle weights to a race and then crying that you are slow. Before you say, well, not everyone wants to be rich, bro, let's be real. Nobody actually wants to struggle. Nobody wakes up excited to check their bank account like it's a horror movie. Oh boy, let's see how bad it is today. That's not humility, that's coping. But here's the good news. You can reprogram your thinking. You can flip the switch from broke to building wealth. But you have to destroy the mental habits that are keeping you poor. And that's what we're about to do today. So, like always, smash that like button right now so this gets to more people who need to hear it. Because if they keep thinking the way they're thinking, they're going to die broke too. So, the first broke mindset I need to kill is the I just need enough to get by mindset. No, enough to get by means you are one bad week away from financial collapse. Your tire blows out, your kid gets sick, or your boss randomly restructures you out of a job, boom, you're in debt. That's not living, that's balancing on a razor blade. The people who say, I just need enough to be comfortable, never actually get comfortable. You can't be comfortable when your finances are one inconvenience away from pure disaster. Rich people don't think in terms of enough. They think in terms of overflow. They want more than they need because they know life will always demand more than you expect. The second broke mindset is, I can't afford that. Listen, stop saying that. The second your brain hears, I can't afford it, it shuts down the possibility of ever affording it. Rich people don't say, I can't afford it. They say, how can I afford it? That tiny change forces your brain to problem solve instead of self-destruct. If I told you, I'll give you your dream house, but you have to figure out how to get me $50,000 in the next 30 days, most people would instantly say, impossible. Rich thinkers would start listing ideas, sell assets, find investors, flip something, negotiate payment terms. I don't know, pre-sell something they can deliver later. They might not get there, but they're thinking like a wealth builder would. Poor thinkers never even take the first step. Third broke mindset, waiting for the right time. There is no perfect time. You're either going to start now or you're going to look back in 10 years wishing you started now. Broke thinkers wait for the economy to get better, for the right business idea, for their schedule to free up. Guess what? Your schedule will never free up. The economy is always going to feel risky, and there is no magical neon sign that says now is the perfect time to change your life. Just like I wish I would have bought more Bitcoin at 80K, because now it's at 120. If you wait for perfect conditions, you're not going to die rich. You're going to die with a someday list that never happened. Fourth, the broke mindset, focusing on saving pennies instead of making dollars. Now, I'm not saying be reckless, but broke thinkers will drive across town, this is mind-boggling, to save 15 cents on gas while ignoring a side hustle that could make them an extra $500 a week. They'll spend hours clipping coupons, but won't spend an hour learning a skill that could get them a raise. You can't shrink your way to wealth. You have to grow into it. Cutting costs is like plugging holes in a sinking ship. Important, but if you're not also adding speed and direction, guess what? You're still going down. Fifth broke mindset. Envy disguised as morality. You know the type. Rich people are greedy. I don't need that much money. Money doesn't matter. Yeah, let's see how money doesn't matter. Feels when your car breaks down and you have to call your aunt for a ride to work, or when your landlord raises your rent by $400 a month and you just accept it because you have no other option. Money gives you freedom. Money gives you options. Money lets you help people without putting yourself in a coffin financially. If you think money is evil, it will run from you like you've got the plague. I love money. That's what you need to tell yourself. 6th broke mindset. Thinking small, then calling it being realistic. Realistic is just pessimism with a PR team behind it. If I told you that in the next 5 years you could 10x your income, broke thinkers would laugh. That's unrealistic, bro. You know what's unrealistic? Believing your job will magically save you from inflation layoffs, or the fact that you've been doing the same thing for 10 years with flat line or no growth. Thinking small doesn't protect you. It literally strangles you. Here's the thing, every single wealthy person I've met started by thinking differently before they earned it differently. They questioned broke logic. They stopped making decisions based on fear. They started making moves that looked risky to small thinkers, but made perfect sense to people building wealth. And the best part? You don't need money to start thinking like a wealth builder. You just need courage. Courage to risk being wrong. Courage to try something new. Courage to stop caring if people think you've changed. Because guess what? If you don't change, nothing changes. Sounds obvious, right? But yeah, it's the truth. Now, if you've been nodding along like, all right, bro, what's next? You've already taken the first step. You're aware of the patterns that are keeping you broke. The next step is acting on them. Not tomorrow, not when the time is right, but now. Because if you keep thinking like this, you won't just stay broke. You'll train the next generation to stay broke too. And that's the real tragedy. You need to tell yourself that I can afford that I'll have that. I love money. I want more. One last thing. Before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this and you want more of these brutally honest money talks, make sure you smash that like button early so more people can wake up to this, and quick. I'm telling you, if you want to look like $1 million without spending $1 million on eyewear that you're going to sit on anyways, check out Navi Eyewear. Right now, when you buy 1 pair, you get 4 free with free shipping. Just add all 5 pairs to your cart and the discount applies automatically at checkout. No code needed. It's that simple. The link's in the description. Now stop thinking broke and start building wealth. Your future self is counting on it. Remember, I love money. Not I cannot afford that. It's how can I afford that? How can I get there? How do I get that Lamborghini? If that guy or that girl can do it, how can I do it? What are they doing? How did they get that house? I can do it too. That's how you need to think. Until next time, peace.